What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today we have a legend in the building. Listen, this man had a unique voice to himself, but you know the name, so today we're going to know the history. He has original songs like Boy You Are Boy, Shop Make You Wiggle, Bunkaffin Lick, Roughneck Chicken, Naman Nabat, and right now he has his new song out called Wop Dem. You know we have in the building today? We have Junior Demus in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
Yes, Muslim, me also say is a blessing on the I program, brethren, for I hear wonderful things and great things of the I program. So when me also the I say a long time, the people them don't really get what them forget. Some just make the thing set at land like a jumbo jet. So I man cover that thing when he walk them, you know. So it's just why me also them say me a pack them at the same time me act them. And when me walk them, then me act them.
Just like that. All right.
Like that.
On this program here, we like to go right from the beginning of your career and then bring you right up to 2021. So then my first question is this. What part of Jamaica did you grow up in, and what attracted you to music in the first place?
Well, I man grew up in a St. Mary, Port Marabia, Bailey'sville.
Mm-hmm.
See? And in a little community where we live, you have a whole heap of sound, like about 3 sound in my era. Mm-hmm. See? I'm an uncle, little son, him love to sing. DJ like and thing in a film style. I'm an brother KCY. Him sing a whole heap of songs, you know, hit songs and thing, doing thing at them time there. So my brother is a singer. And my next brother now, the man that play a song. So I go around the music muscle. So me have so much vibes when me I hear a music from them time there. So me I go and punch my style them around when me like. Cause from long time me's a man me dance and do me lovely dancing and thing. I'm a school and thing when you have a graduation thing and they have big thing I go on the auditorium, I go there and nice it up and make them know I'm a thing. Yeah. And get them class. So my as a DJ from them time the little youth I come up, me a teen star in my own world.
Okay, so it was dancing first or it was really DJing first for you?
A DJ. Mm-hmm. But the DJ move along with the dancing for if you're a DJ. Mm-hmm. DJ thing come with dancing, you know. So some man stand up stiff and no move. But you have to dance, forget the people and entertaining thing, keep them kind of moving, bopping and yapping and chopping. So me just blend in the dancing and the DJ together. So the whole thing just fit in. So when them see me, them say, lad, the boy can't dance and him full of mouth. That's how me country people them did that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and this was your first thing. So then did you start to DJ like at school or you started DJing on a sound system?
Me a DJ on the sound system them from little youth because me son the big man pass the big man by cooler tone around the road. I stop by cooler tone and I listen whole heap of different stars, you know, for you hear Yellow Man them, you hear Michigan and Smiley, Scotty, a whole heap of man, you right, you hear you Brown, you hear Rankin Trevor, you have a whole heap of man for pick your choice for where you want, for vibes yourself, you know? But you want still what that thing for your local self until the time come when you find the real motion until me find the teacher Nicodemus. You know that?
Got you. And what song were you DJing on at first in your area?
My little sound them call it Rockatone up in the bush there. In a St. Mary there. And you have a next one named Cooler Tone around the road. And another one named Village Soul Merchant.
Yes.
Yeah, the country, I said, yeah.
And those time, okay, and at that time when you're DJing, were you had the Nicodemus style at this time yet, or you didn't find it at that time?
But me find the style more like down in the 70s they down there, so you know. In the 70s, 76, 78, down a bush they go down there, yonder, they come back to 80, me start get more, you know, frequent and bossy night, you know. You understand?
I know your original name is Papa Kibo.
Yeah, I'm an original thing that called Papa Kilo, me name, you know. Them time me have a song where me do name Snake and Leather. And you climb up the ladder and you see your own shed, and then you come down the ladder, this is snake and leather, and then you slap you with the hammer. You know, my style, I see it. Yeah, Papa Kilo. Yeah, that.
And how long did you have the name Papa Kibo for?
Why, Papa Kibo go and work for a while, you know, till end time. The time come when me have to dash for that, and then my name Nika Jr.
Nika Jr. Okay, so at this time here, were you still in St. Mary, or you had came to Kingston at this time here now?
No, me never ready for them in a Kingston yet. I did a DJ down in my era when me a DJ on the side there. Remember say you have Jack Ruby sound in the Ultra Riots when me used to DJ upon. It's not like Jack Ruby send come call me, but I know it's there, I gotta go.
Got you.
So I reach a Jack Ruby and I did my thing at Jack Ruby, but you have a sound come from Greenwich Farm named Echo Vibration, which was Sammy Dread them and Lucky and Peter Rankin them sound. And Michigan and Smiley them too. But it end up in a St. Mary's Stuart Town. Then me start to rap Echo Vibration. Them sound there. So Echo Vibration one at the time is like I'm a sound.
Got you.
When me DJ pan for emotion, but me always been like Muslim, me freelance around from the sound. To get my name across.
And when you were on Echo Vibration, were you still Papa Keeble at this time, or are you Nika Jr. at this time?
Junior Demus, man, because Demus come name me up in the country, you know, and give me Junior Demus, you know, within them time there, you know.
Okay, so tell me how that even happened, because clearly you had this style before you met him. So I want to know, when you first met him, how did he even change your name to Junior Demus in the first place? Why would he even want to do that?
Well, we're really going mostly. In that New York and I deal the place there. Him fly out in some part of the 70s there, and then the boat up in New York there. So me I go and chop up the place in the 80s, they go and deal with business, the little matter stream them and thing. But him soon come, because you know the king of flair for emotion to come back in place. So when him come back now, I a DJ a sound in a St. Mary in Torpedo.
Yes.
With a selector named Senator D. And Senator D was Nicodemus' brethren.
Okay.
So when the Demus a New York now, I mean a DJ Echo Vibration and DJ Jack Ruby sound and many more other sound Scorpio them and Metro Media come in and come sing pan them sound and back in that country get my name out to the people them. When Demus up in the New York, the people them are telling about me. So I'm boy down a yard and he Neko Junior pressure him style and this and that kind of stuff. You know, so them would have liked the teacher to give me a hard time. But the teacher feel good to know say me I rap the style and I build me thing and I go on. So in brethren Senator D make it know say me and him bar.
Okay.
And so when Demus come back to Jamaica, big thing and Demus them Senator D and a youth named Glenn Pope them keep a dance up in a St. Mary Bailey'sville. And Demus come at the dance and thing. So me at the dance and thing. And Demus hear me on the mic and in the right there we are DJ and pass mic and then no more Neko Junior, call him Junior Demus, and the whole thing changed. Okay. The man name me must let man, me I show you say a different motion, you know. And
do you remember what year it was that you guys actually linked up for the first time?
Why must be not go remember so much something in muscle? Me a big man, you know, muscle. Me not really go on the book and me show the God shoot muscle. Trust me, muscle. But me just know say they link up with me and them and them is a muscle. Trust me, muscle. It was a real vibes, you know, because Demus is a lyricist where if him say to you say go on look youth, him say talent in you. You understand me? So when Demus name me muscle, a big thing in do for give me the junior Demus pan the name, you know. So you know the big man name, you know. So me I go proclaim the thing now, you know. So me get really, you know, the strength within myself to you and confident so much to you know.
Yeah. And what were your next? Okay, you linked with the teacher. Good vibes and everything. So what was your next move now that you got the name Junior Demus? Were you still staying in St. Mary or you decided to come to town? What was your moves then?
My move I know where if circle the program and my business now with the other artists them where I trouble my style. For when the teacher leave, I man build a style where Junior Demus pan the spot and then me cool and then me drop. So then I bring a thing when the talk and stop.
Yes.
And it have a groove where is a groove where you go and test my style. For you start DJ in the manner there and you break in the manner there and my style, you have pressure.
Yeah.
You don't have to really sing my lyrics, but just touch my pattern. You know the cool and pass and go again. I'm a thing. So a lot of the youth them were DJ within them time there. Big artists at town of them song per record. I hear them sing my style on them record.
Okay.
So I know it was time to settle business. To let the people them know the true man who really originate the whole talk and stop thing. So within the time muscles, them time you know, me link up me and General Trees, good brethren. You know, artists, you know. You know, we have been a good brethren. So me sing Pam theme song. Black Scorpio. Yeah, then when I time now, me and him, we leave go I believe it's Negril.
Yeah.
And we do a show. And then Leng was at the show. Leng was at the show.
Yeah.
And Leng see the motion how I was performing.
Yeah.
You know, on the stage and at the dance and thing. And so him show when I finish for a moment and I will have vibes, him come and talk to I and that's why I say you have a show in Kingston when name Roll Call. With DJ Roll Call. And then him lined up the thing and talk to the dude. The brother was Super Dan.
Super Dan, yeah, a radio personality.
Yeah. So that guy, when we leave the dance the next morning, you know, the show gonna be in Kingston, New Kingston, and go get in the town and go by the rehearsal for them. Send me a rehearsal to do some rehearsal to perform on the show. But at that time, muscle, I never really into the style. I know say I can rock rhythm definitely, but when I go over there, I see a lot of artists over there. Over by there.
Who were some of the artists that you seen when you got there?
A whole heap of man, Peter Nelson, this about Josie them, son them, the whole 9 years, Professor Nuts them, Trees them, who are the man them?
Okay.
Who are going to rehearse for the show? A lot of people and singers and all kind of stuff, you know. So me kind of really at the moment, you know, I'm really want A man list up my thing at the moment, and I say, me just know so the big man for the band, him named Derek Barnett. So I show him say, leng them man super than them say whatever me or they on the thing, so I want to do. So I tell him some beats.
Yeah.
When me like, you know? And think this youth not too know me like that, but him say me like me artist then for me look bossy.
Yeah.
And think of my nice clothes looking like somebody going out. So the brother mark down the things them and thing. So that's when I go at the show now, muscle now and thing. Did they, you know, the star them time them not traveling and not no muscle.
You didn't travel yet. Start traveling as yet.
No, not traveling the day that me never know about the airport. That's so good. Yeah, start me so. Me I know this night I know muscle now. Me DJ all the while muscle car. What really happening no muscle? You have to speak the honest truth in a life and it free you.
For sure.
What happening no muscle? Me never get that big. Me DJ have a big crowd, you know. But the crowd there was very much large. You know, so me say me have to get myself in charge.
Yeah.
God, it's really, you know, nice. So when I got a place mostly and I see the people them out there and I see how the star them a pop up place and the artists them a sing and run off and run on back and the people have a nice time also sing. Cause I man did stop at the arcade and get a little new pants and a new little kangal. You understand? Cause me I try to fix up myself bossy and thing I'm a nice little semi-belly, you know? See, and me think I'm set up myself now, so I'm calling me up muscle and it was Barry G as the MC.
Okay.
Yeah, we're the personality where we work on JBC. And him call me and thing. I'm go up there and give them a wonderful motion, and when we give them the motion, I see the vibes muscle with the people I give me. I run off and the MC call live back again. So I give them a next motion. So it was a double explosion. Did I say?
Okay.
The people them just you know love the whole motion at the talk and stop and they you know Junior Demus and stuff. And they must say, what kind of youth is this? Where come from? Just the other day, a boy broke me kitchen, thief me yam teeth, out me dumpling, steal rice, steal chicken. They must say, what kind of dude is this? What broke a man kitchen? And he said, wow. You understand that? And people are going wild.
Yeah.
And he said, what? Yes, muscle. And the same time, muscle, when I get on the stage, Nicodemus, right? As the teacher, come and sing one tune. And just come out back and me just deal with the people in muscle. So the next man in muscle. And I am recognized now, acknowledged. In the morning, I were acknowledged. Big superstar now.
And this is 1987 that we're speaking about here.
Yes, my brother.
Okay, and at this time, did you record any music yet?
A record in a Papa cable, but not June.
Got you.
Yeah, you see that I say? Me no record that June was yet.
That's
so
yet. Okay.
Yeah, the part that I not deal with yet. So at this the part the people them want and a Papa cable think June must know me a pro. So right from there, muscle me boss.
Yeah.
The show alone. A man bust off a record. Me bust off a stage show.
Stage show, wow.
And about a few months after that muscle, me I tell you that honest truth. You have a promotion in R&I.
Yeah.
From New York City with a really personnel with power them name Vanny McGowan.
Okay.
She was at the show and she see the fullness wagwan muscle and she was so captivated by the whole thing. And she and her team and they make sure the process and go through and work permit. You understand? For I'm on there at the Kingston now. For my find out a big thing I want. The next day them have show up on Fort Clarence at the beach. And I was on the show even though I never book.
Because you did so good the night before on DJ Roll Call.
Yes, you know. The man, God, them system me a potential now. This youth can really angling business and dealing things and send things around. So at least they can know so well then we can move a certain amount of load and fix up the thing on the road. So when we mash up them show you know the people them really and truly link a find no muscle. These people come attend the roll call show. The people them really are on our promotion, them really go where and the theater of me and want me come perform up to the New York, see?
Okay.
So, yeah man, so what me know, the teacher there at Jamaica, and the teacher come link me from Anatown, Nicodemus. And I show him, say, well then some people need me because them want me to assure in a New York, me and Marcia Griffiths, Yellow Man, and Muta Baruka.
Big show. So at this time here, you're the new guy amongst the guys in the business already.
Yes, brethren. See, them time the brethren, Muslim me not have no visa, my passport, the we a country. Cause me leave my passport at my mother house, you know, cause I really want to have it a bounce boat. In Kingston with me a catch all boat. You see? So they must drive like country go check my whole lady. Within the same time to Skengdan, want me DJ pan Stermars because me DJ pan Stermars couple weeks up in Islington. You understand?
Yes.
So go country for the passport and get passport in a Kingston now. Passport feel good now himself. You know, get some farmer stamp. You know, light up the passport lamp. So you go son and woman, you go check her and thing by the hotel and thing and you know, the process go through and me know say America me the big man.
In same 87 or by 88?
In 87 same year than that.
So everything just happened quick.
You know, tell a big man, me they are foreign like a top man. No have no song. Me just come in and deal with the thing what the lady want me deal with. And after I deal with those show, then I get myself located in Brooklyn with some of my brethren, you know. And start all the vibes and get myself, you know, situated and then get some, like buy up some, you know, wares now and get yourself more fixed up now for the Gideon are looking good because you can't be a superstar in a wear one pants all 2 times and all them time. The people are watching out tonight. So you have to try to get above that type of level there, which is the level I try to move from.
Yeah.
So when I get this flyout, it was a great issue to iron a wonderful motion where I could have no say. Because I said the star business is that thing where you have to have a lot of pretty clothes and look very cute and nice, bossy business. So when I come up, I get myself a lot. I what me need. You know, me suits, me felt, me this, me whole heap of thing. So when
How were those original shows that you went to? Because remember, you didn't have no songs out yet. These people haven't seen you yet. How did you do on these shows here with these superstars that you came up with?
Yeah, I just sing a thing when me know to advertise it and entertain the people. I'm seeing we in a medical way and get medical love from the people. They always find my style. Anywhere I go in the world, muscle. Trust me, among some different type of people. And when I get the chance, muscle, to get the microphone and perform, muscle, trust me, muscle, they show me love. Me know the big man, because me glad to meet these people, you know. Because remember, you know, a TV, I see all motor, and them man, they pan, you know. You know, regular around them man, the great one. And you know, see Miss sacrifice like regular, you can come near and touch her and kind of way that. So you feel a vibe within yourself meeting these people, but yellow man's a man where they are dance, I know them man there.
Yeah.
But within the time, yellow man is the boss. Because when we come, I sip on the flyers them. Is yellow man the big boss?
At that time there.
Yes, yellow man the big boss. When the flyers are like Demus on the big boss. Me name just barely catch on on the something because they just bring me around there like me a big Dan. You understand?
You didn't do anything. You didn't reach the junior Demus status yet, but you're going through.
Me going through. So me I learn big things from these great people and being nice to myself. Me really fly out and they are foreign like them. Big Danny and now Demus and my friends them from the country now. You know, mostly know them and say no. Demus gone and foreign brother. And the youth them feel good no say from the country. Oh, this are youth within them monks. Shoot off a foreign and they are foreign and my call and my people and tell them say me they are foreign. They really never believe still. Because they don't know me have no family or send for me like that. For the people at the countryside, they might check away because when I even go for my passport, and I sure I family say, this is foreign me are going. Yo. Birds in the man, they laugh like clown is that. They know me aliens come up with some crap, you know that. You understand? Drive way from town, come for your passport in the budget. Just try me buy, you know. And I carry the passport like a top class merchandise getting to town very safe. Never breeze touch it. Old boy. I have a flying and thing, British. So you know me have to go country and all and thing there and whatever. But when we land, they're the Kingston Brethren, and they are Jamaica, they know, and they are in town, you know, my Brethren, and uptown and a town, round and round, and then let them line up some studio time, you know.
Okay.
And think I'm going there, I'm going to shoot out Roughneck Chicken.
That's your first song recorded as Junior Demus.
Yeah, man.
Okay, and yes, because that's on the Supreme record label there.
Yeah, because you are mostly I not more than what I go say, you know, because this big man I see me, I respect my thing. I know say well then Junior Demus said, Leng the thing, that man say I rate the thing. And believe that the thing. I was a very wonderful motion to see somebody believe in your thing so much. You understand me? Students spend some time and spend our money and vibes and thing and musician them love the motion, Sly Robbie and all of them and them Derek Barnett and all who give me strength and show me respect towards my motion. So when I go in there and the man then play the beat and I man kick out the Roughneck Chicken, I pay laugh, the man then laugh, see, because they don't like the most life, I don't know me that. They laugh, that's you, they laugh like crazy. So they push out the tune and me get a buzz and fight and people are show me love all about and man up on the corners and certain ends I man pass and I man say Roughneck Chicken part 3 and all kind of. It give me a joy myself.
Yeah.
As a little youth where And I really like we born here, so. But we live anywhere, and we can vibe with people anywhere in our earth, cause earth with that. All you do with yourself, you know, you live good with people, mostly in a town, and the cry where we done in a town. So when I got some book now, and I got some back, Cosmic 6, you know, I know you're listening, my people. I'm back again. And I say, boy, you a boy, and you're a big man yet. Boy, you a boy, and you're a big man yet. Mama no look after tea, and then tea you know get, and have a lunch and lunch you know get, and dinner and then same thing then you know get, and then she'll lock the door now. Most of she gonna go sleep on the step. But grandpa come see the boy, a big cigarette, and when he spot grandpa, the boy take off like jet. Oh my God, it must be something that, and the place does whoa. I mean, I say, the people, man, mad love. But the thing they put a nice girl out there. And they know they must attack something where I real about in a bush. We happen to know if I look at you to them.
Listen, you see, that song there is one of my favorite. That is my favorite tune, Demus. Boy, you are boy. Bad song. So then now, even when that, who did you record that song for?
I lend them a Supreme man.
That's another Supreme. So they got the first and they got the second one. Boy, you are boy.
Yeah, man. Just Virgin.
And how? What did that song now do for your career? Because you have Roughneck Chicken, which is totally different than everything else, and then you come seal it up with Boy, You Are Boy. What did that do for your career at that point there?
When Boy, You Are Boy come now, them know so well. Then now Nicodemus have class. It's like the great God will crucify upon the cross. And like some youth out the road we have flash. And like now the whole away now under the judgment and under the mass. Says like a rope you throw on them neck and it cast. Them time that when Boy Ya Boy come, it's in the draft. You understand me? It really me a hack it when me a sing it and the talk and stop spice night yet. And then style within the reggae. At the moment, me just fix up the reggae, get it in a nice scene, it just madicate. So when me push it out to the people, it well said, so the fans then get exactly what they forget. So it give them a real nice motion. Then me say, no happen, I do not stop there.
Okay.
So I said to them, Nicodemus are the father, Nicodemus are the son, Nicodemus then can walk and Nicodemus we run. I mean, I say, the entertainers, welcome. So, I just motion, me and motion myself with them and get them in a my groove. That's me and them can have a little move.
Okay, and I would say this is between, because 87, the first song came out. I think this is by 88. These songs you're talking about came out at this time here now, around that time.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're doing good. Are you still DJing on sound systems or you're more doing shows? What's your career looking like at this point here now?
Right now, mostly been a while, mostly me get the whole business of motion and just rebuild and reform. And like when you reform yourself, a different motion towards the business approaching them right now, and me and my team,
Hold on. Not 2021, you know. I'm talking about 88 when those songs came out now. Were you still DJing on sound system? You were doing more shows? You were flying out more? What were you doing? What was happening for you at that time there?
Mad people, man. Now me get all over the world. All about people about me and all them something there. And whole heap of vibes all about. You know, because people, I remember say, at the moment, they know muscle. You know, say Sting, leng them show and hot shot and all of them go show there, you know. So, from the man, them see emotion and how you deal the thing out there. People come get to the show. So, when them tune that Japan, people out there, people are mad bookies, make it all about, man. All the little islands, them and all them thing there, you know. England and, you know, them type of vibes there. You know, people book me really and show their love way towards how me a chap road. So when them time there, me in and out from Jamaica to New York.
Okay.
And then at the same time now, Demus then the New York.
That's what I was going to ask you about Supercat. When in your career, when do you meet Supercat in your career?
Supercat in my career from in the 80s all over we are book up in the country. Supercat DJ Panjaro. So when Cat them come at the St. Mary section, me and him cool like that. You understand? We hold hard at all times because Supercat, little brother, and my virgin. Yeah.
I'll tell you, he told me that you're the one that gave him his name, Junior Cat.
Yeah, because him brother no really want him name Cat like he must want him name Rat. So he must call himself Dax. So I show him say, I like how you sound like the brother Supercat. So I'm saying, brother, so I say the name no Dax, the name Junior Cat. So I just try pumping the name and I'm brother at the night. I meet him on a sound in some place up in Clarendon NZ. So I vibes in from them time that till this time me I'm a virgin, same way I'm little brother. You understand? So them time they may have fly out in and out and things look pretty real fine. So when me come link up now in them time that Supercat and Nicodemus and New York now.
Got you.
Fly back in, mostly come meet them in the New York, you know, and start vibes. And then mostly we go so and studio in a Long Island. The Apache called me and I'm go them go see the teacher there already. And concept I'm gonna talk kind of vibes, you know? I really my play, you know? And we have vibes, you know? Teacher go and put him line and we have boom bang and vibes, I think. So Apache run out and go so bang for 3 different mic, you know? You understand? And thing. And we have vibes and thing. Apache show. And says the chemistry between the three and I, because we know each other. Vibes. But you know, for vibes yourself. So when Apache chip off and thing, and the father come and you know, chop off there so and he reach back, you know, the back and reach down on me and I know muscle, so me have to just say, what the meaning of cabin stopping when you book a night international Indian, your woman get up and caressing and correspond, you know, just shape up my and we just shoot and cabin stabbing just go so. You know, and great motion, you know.
Because you guys did the single, but you guys also did an album together.
Yeah.
And this was on the Wild Apache label at this time here.
Yeah, Wild Apache label. Within the time, him get signed to Columbia, same time.
Okay, so you guys weren't on Columbia. You guys didn't do the album for Columbia. You did it for Wild Apache.
No, Columbia deal with Supercat, it never deal with Nicodemus and me. Is the Apache, him deal with the Apache and them production and thing. But we are part of the Apache because we are all harder with Cat. Even though Demus is a hit artist by himself and I by myself. But we are brethren in music, you understand? So Apache do a project for the Columbia Records, but in the same time, him still structure an album with me, Nicodemus, himself, and Junior Cat.
The good, the bad, the ugly, and the crazy.
Yeah, that's what the Apache, Mr. Supercat did, you know? So it was a great motion with the brother Supercat, you know, doing him thing, you know? So right now, I truly muscle, I represent myself at this moment now. You know, when you see, for you see muscle, you see me clear the water, you see me show out my head now, and I say, them vibes, you know, muscle, you understand muscle. So it's not like say muscle. Me not have no track record because not them time the muscle. Check it in now. When me come and me go so boop up here in the muscle. And I like DJ business and easy something in the car. When cabin stabbing, I go on, you know. Remember me have no man no rough, no man.
Yes, that you recorded for Shelly Power Records?
Yes, Bridget. That's it. So not like say me was not it back by my own concept and my own thing because all I had with Apache because of my Bridget.
Yeah.
But me, you could have always book me gone to do whatever me gotta do.
Because I even remember seeing a dance with King Addies, Stone Love.
Yeah.
Where it had on, it's a famous dance on YouTube. You see it everywhere. King Addies, Stone Love, Junior Demus, Nicodemus, Super Cat, I think Trevor Sparks, and somebody else was in, I think it might have been Biltmore too. And you were mashing up the dance.
Well, I really is Super Cat, Nicodemus, and I and some more local artists where, and man like Tenasa before me would drop out. Really represent and defend that is them sound within them time there when we in the state. So we Addies and the world know that we are the one that did the work for anyone to talk about Addies, to talk about Nicodemus, Junior Demus and Super Cat. That was the I and I where build up Addies the sound and it take itself onto international motion with Danny Dread and, you know, the whole crew, you know what I say?
Babyface and all of them.
Yeah, and Babyface them and Ethan them was a wonderful thing to them, you know, launch out them thing where youth them can learn and look vibes and all the vibes and reggae music within them time when we them all here.
What year, do you remember what year you actually migrated to the States?
I check I know the year something go in like 87 come here and come back again. But
because I know you recorded for a lot of producers like the Jammies and the Bobby Digital. Were you in the States at that time or you were in Jamaica when you recorded those songs there?
Me is a man where them time the muscle were really a muscle. Them time that was like terrorist attack and all this crap. You could flew down or you fly down to Jamaica, all emotion, and by no time you're back here. So it's an in and out process because you always have promoter muscle. I keep showing them time that you now have the immigration a spy on people them time because there's no 9/11 nobody is that.
Yeah.
So government not really watch nobody and come in. You understand me? That was the list. So them time them just in and out, fly down, come to Jamaica, vice for jammings round and jammings and cool and and we still have our vibes. And the place that yard same way. You understand, great one? So it's not like say me did live up Merkel like that. It's an in and out process muscle.
Got you.
I went muscle. I went the World Trade Center. 9/11. Such a devastated moment for the whole motion and for the whole world. For I and I, as black people and little people them from the island, is them really be the sufferation for them put on a whole heap of laws and class. That's very hard for some of the island people them, but life a life, so we still have to live on and get yourself, through this motion and where we are going through. You understand, family?
You understand, because again, I know you recorded a big one for Bobby was Shop Make Them Wiggle, and that was on the Sick Rhythm. Somebody like a Bobby Digital, how did you link with Bobby Digital? Because we know he's a big producer and you were in and out at this time here now.
Well, what really happened, you know, Bobby Digital is a youth where they know me from down at Jammies all about the place. I know, so me know him. And he know me a good artist. And I believe invite some other song where I believe is him take it to, you know, when me I say, this and respect and respect. This and respect and respect, Piper. This and then that this you get and you respect and respect you can get and the bank did lick and then the money did not get then like a bigger for the whole of them I get set but this and respect and respect and the next time we do it you take the cash and collect, you see it? So it's not like, you know, me I said that them people that never really vibes in my thing, but me know so well then me a chat music godfather, you understand?
Hear you.
Let's say I know that.
Crazy, big deal. Couple more stuff I want to get to before we get to your news.
Bobby is a man where, you know, when me Bobby rate me, because Bobby say me is a man where the principal and Bobby's a little principal dude and things. So when I the Pandians, I'm gonna tell me say Bobby have a bad beat. So I drive go over there and then drop on the beat. And me advise myself and me come and say, shot make you wiggle and something of you no giggle about the boy, baby live on the boy. Yes, not about even me taking no shot, make you wiggle, something of you no giggle. God. Devil, not puzzle, no wiggle, no wiggle. Some of them must think like a diggle. I must think, man, I stick in. I'm making no shot, making a wiggle, something of you no giggle, boom. God. Devil, not puzzle, no wiggle, no. Shoot! And Bobby said, go on the road, me, you child. And through the road, and by no time, you know, when I them time, them even down at Jamaica, then they use them love the motion. The little young use them love the motion and thing. And then I watch one of the famous movie, Dancehall Queen, and I answer the daughter, rock high tune, and I go crazy. So I say, yes, man, Demus vibes. You know, people know, say, the youth here, him do the work. Because I whole heap of work we do in a muscle.
For sure.
We never been told, you know, when we are drive from we all at St. Mary, we go to St. Thomas, go sing for people at St. Thomas. All boat, not Jamaica, me driving at that. To make all right. A man that's a junior Demus fly out and round here, a whole heap of, you know, just go some muscle. A whole heap of little hit round here, so, and hit round here, so, drive a little van around here, so, to reach all the way down to the destination there, so, to make the road where the younger Geno I roll upon right now at the foundation we're set for the younger generation where them can deal with it, because at this moment, when I look back muscle to the youth them then, the training where the legendary them get, like I and many more artists who juggle that much to build themselves on a sound system and get familiar with the rhythms them and thing, and in full night practice of dealing with the beats, which is the key thing you have to can conquer your beat. I chant point and make you ride and move smooth. So when you come out to the public, which is the stage, then gonna be a provity of the germity, of the firmness of who the artist is. You understand me? When you and your DJ or your band player, oh, you really on the beats.
Yeah.
So when they use them, have a lot of lyrics, them talk a lot of things, but them just have to just know, say, lucky in them thing and, you know, the beat of them thing and Them bad, you know, because me listen to them in the bus. You them, yeah, you them bad like yes, man. me listen to them muscle, man, because remember, you know, I and I vibes, that's me, I show my brother and say, I say, boy, I be a bad man. Then me say, Dada, I tell you something. The youth, then the life where me and you used to hold in any part of the world. Remember, Junior D must tell you, say, it's a change.
For sure.
And if you, as a legendary or a elder or a welder, just remember me tell you, say, the youth, them, thing have to go on. Because this is the motion, a new inspiration, a vibes, a where them a feel, a where them a live. Because more time, most of the youth them in our world, you know, them speak where them see how they live in that.
For sure.
For some big life where the youth them live, enough big people not really get them top life there, you know, them young little age. And these young kids, in the time of the motion of where we live, you have to just full joy for them and pray for them. You understand me?
100% agreed. 100%. Because you have to remember, it's an evolution. When you came out with your style, nobody heard your style before. They could have said, that's not how you DJ, that's how you sing. They could have put you one side, but they embraced it. And they said, okay, you know what? Embrace it, and more youth, more music, keep pushing it ahead.
Yes, brother. You have to embrace the little youth, them, brother, and give them a vibes for. Because every day, you know, them seek something for vibes and find a muscle. All right, you know what I'm saying? They use them listen to all different type of music, you know. You have some with go way back. This is some long time cassettes, and you have some listen R&B. You have some listen them rap. Them different type of music they use them listen and get themselves acquainted with some different type of talking and thing and different beats. And the dancing them, the dancing them move along with the music. Cause in this time, the youth them have a whole heap of dance muscle.
For sure.
Yeah, so you have to just full joy the motion with them muscle and vibes yourself, because they will always, you know say no muscle. You know, say a Junior Demus, them original man there, you know. And as long as you know as a original you can keep your vibes. As long as you can keep your vibes within yourself and know say, well then, your style is, you're not change. The youth them give you respect on then level there. As long as it be yourself.
You understand? All right.
Yeah.
I totally understand they need to be themselves. Somebody like you that's been being yourself. I seen an album that you had called Bad Fall, because you're the one that came with Roughneck Chicken, Bad Fall, and all these stuff here. Bad Fall was on a label by Luke Records. How did that even come around?
Well, what really happened now, mostly let me go by them book, Cabin Stabbing Show, Luke Skywalker book, Cabin Stabbing Show. So when the show I go on by Strawberry Field, some club, and the three will perform like one first, and then Cabin Stabbing will come together. But within the time when me do the whole thing and thing, it's like my style within the group, like Luke, crazy about the motion. So after we done perform the three and I, him tell my next brethren, because it's a youth where it booked me, you know, feet, you know. And then a man book them from a different, but they are Jamaica, you know. So me get book from Jamaica, come fly, come to Miami, you know.
Got you.
Cat and Nicodemus, they are New Year. So them fly dog and thing. But I want brother named Biggs. But the show die. So when I go to show now, I work and thing, and most likely we done work now, and the man see with the motion and how me really deal the thing. Him sure my virgin say they would like to speak to him in the morning, so cat them can't fly out, but we like to speak to Demus, you know. So we end up back at the time, and you know, from there, so some paper vibes and something, and some money run and thing, and studio vibes, and every other day, them, you understand them, take pay for the hotel, and we are try vibes it out. So the whole vibes go on, I must right from there, so must the man come and see the 3 away our and just like me end up the type of my little knickknacks. Because my teacher, them I tell us my teacher, I'm a party, them is not really a man of the madness. I mean the madness man, they like the hype man, you understand?
So you're the showman. Okay, if you look at a group like even like a Public Enemy, you would be like the Flavor Flav, where you're the performer. You go and you put on the show. Those times it was about lyrics, but your thing was about lyrics and showmanship. You are really
me can't like our girl didn't say no vibes with me and the me and the people have all our vibes where yes, I'm going and I feel nice. Cause I want to feel iron myself in the muscle. No say muscle me gotta show you the people and say, boy, Demus, boy, give you a nice show. Boy, me laugh till wow, some farmer, something. When Demus leave within the motion where the people then can definitely say, you know that this boy really I do him thing. So at the kind of motion that me really go upon. Me is a man where me have to make people them feel a vibes a Junior Demus there. But like me I come answer to them say. And me I say, can me vibe myself and me say, and the app just a Wop Dem, and it a Wop Dem, the app just a Wop Dem, it just a the Instagram, Facebook, and me Snapchat, but internet, but them mad chat crap, telling Junior Demus just find the hot spot, tell the producer send the rhythm WhatsApp, then you send the money, cash app, thing, you know the money drop. Tell DJ to bring the laptop, Proton plug in with the iLock and the app. Just Wop Dem and it attack them. And some me a chop them, you know. So me a tell you say, right now, me a show them say Cosmic sit right now, seeing, and we got some book. And you know, say all of the platform them seeing, you know, YouTube, they subscribe and thing and do me thing. And support Junior Demus, share the same thing. I know say muscle and Junior, we know easy. I not done that so. Because me a same thing for because with the federation, so we know who them no obligation. Lucky me not here for all the application, so we know who them no obligation and them want fit on fish and them want fish gun. When you check it out, the whole of them are pagan. Then we sell you for a slice of bacon. Me know them not the obligation. Give me not here for the application. When them see Junior Demus like celebration. That's the incarnation. Yes. Nation. They never get invited. Not invitation. Yes. Invitation. Lie. Fabrication. Tell them quick. Evacuation. Me know them. Not the obligation. Give me not. Must love them, man.
Listen, okay. So since we're here now, that song, the first new one here, Wop Dem. How did you decide, okay, let me come up with something like this right now? And what I like with Wop Dem, you gave them your original style, but you gave them it in 2021. So it sounds original, but it sounds fresh. What made you decide to put out Wop Dem right now after such a long time in your career?
Well, you see, now them when we Wop Dem, the same time I up them. For the app, you know, is where the youth them be up and do it. So from you there on the app, it's like you walk to the WAP. You understand me? So you fix up all the space and the gap. So them go and give them ears, them hire people out and give them ears a catch. So I know them, I go listen to the vibes of Demus a chat because a long time, then I really see me muscle pass spot. And then the whole world, he look a short man, rise and a chat and say, me wap, then me hack. Because you understand? me not just wap them, you know. Just me no muscle. Me not just wap them. Me hack them.
Yeah.
So, you understand? And them have many more vibes coming.
Okay, and you even have a music video for Wop Dem. That's how I know, okay, you know what? This single here, this is what you guys are pushing right now.
Yeah, right now, I want them just check out my thing them on the YouTube and thing and know so well then subscribe my thing and know Junior Demus and share the thing and make the one them know so well then Junior Demus as a youth where muscle I an idea 100 and most and when Cosmic 6 come out, Deja as reggae sauce, because this lady she named reggae sauce, small bass. Francie come and get the whole motion and say the whole thing is just 100 and most. Most of them couldn't stop the bus. Because if a man to get hit by a car, him couldn't get hit by the bus. So I know them fine. Them know Junior Demus is a youth where is a must. Why? A lot of people and a lot of little kids out there trying to be us. So I imposter us who try to be a must. But I don't think them is us. Well, I just want the youth them who out there who call themselves Junior Demus and singing my song, which is very wrong. You know, and you don't really respect the real legendary, the real man. You're on a wrong plan. You understand? So I want the youth them know and all these people out there who do what them doing, don't make your life be ruined by your wrongdoing.
So you're saying right now you have people out there that's singing like Junior Demus and doing songs over like you right now?
I'm posting up them things on YouTube and talking stuff and singing my songs I'm all about, but it's a great thing muscle where the clearance now where you have a thing with muscle. A youth out there and we all whatever. In all time of my career, I know I have to always due respect to Nicodemus as I elder and I teacher. Rest in peace wherever the man in Zion Rastafari. And me know respect for Joe and to my thing. I never the New York muscle. And then a man there run as I sing my song. And a vice special and you know me there so. A New York. England, them side, the whole of Europe or whatever. A whole heap of things are going. So we have to expose. We have to expose and disclose. Because some people have poke them nose. So you have to, you know, get them off a certain trap and get them on a different react because certain things have to stop. So I show them saying I like how them are conduct.
Are you talking about some of the members from the Demus family?
Yeah, but they becomes an army going around advise me song them and I post themselves, promoter, book them for Junior Demus and all them things there, you know. Man, I got a Japan man, book for Japan, Junior Demus and me there in New York and all them things there. Take the people them money when the people them ready to find them and can't find them. They do so much evil things about to mash up Junior Demus. And I'm on there in a New York, I hold my fort within myself muscle. Because I, with a ear, I name in the street, I've living like a dirty bit. There is a Demus around here, muscle, gone with some people, sound man, monies and all these things, muscle. I believe in Jah, believe in myself. Sure. And I blessing come from the mighty Father, muscle. And sometimes I even no muscle but Jah bless. Just to keep me out of the stress. You understand me? Because unto this man muscle I man confess. And him always make another joke. A little piece of food, something pass by the mouth. That's how I can walk in and move out. Yeah, you see it? Like I drive in and drive out. Yeah, you see it? So when I see them look at youth muscle, none of them no due no respect towards I man career all through the year. I pay disrespect. So I have to put a stop. So I put up the things then what them are sing and themselves doing crap, singing my song them and claiming what is not there. And I want you know so just get the thing a break. Because what is for sake is for sake. I over cake, but try the there cake and get your thing there. Don't come over my side over the lake. You understand me? I use a little plow and rake. Yeah, all the bad things is at stake. So I don't see them in my state. So they must be somewhere out of state or in a state. But what they are doing is not great. You understand me? So, muscle, I say, the vibes are when me and show bright and no muscle. You know, it's not muscle like me I preach the war because I'm a born a star. And you have to shoot for the star. That's the way it's hard. So, me just want them know, say, man reform, and man and the world in a separation need love and support. You know? And man have to be careful of them both. You understand me?
It's so crazy things that happen in this business from time to time. So right now you have a Wop Dem. I see that you have a new song coming out. Are you putting out a new album or it's just some new singles to really get a lot of the people up to date with what Junior Demus is up to?
Well, Muscle, let me tell you something. Right now, Muscle, it's all the way. It's an album going to drop. Cosmic 16, Reggae Sauce, scene. She's doing a wonderful motion scene. Howard, my brethren, scene. Them behind the whole aspect of emotion because this is a team. And I feel working with the team are the best vibes. Seeing African vibes. Seeing. So when I hear them new Junior Demus, you know, where the people them can have a real vibes of the two Mr. Fabulous by hearing my song and then them see I move into my song and holding them vibes there. It even as me speaking muscle by people generally senior, them all the vibes are with you. Whether you're real or you're not real. And you know most likely people are looking to see people where like genuine, nobody no want no dirty vibes around them. So people are look more a person with a vibes that we can give them a wonderful upliftment, emotion, motivate type of energy muscle. And right now, muscle, me and my team, we have a wonderful locomotion, and I won't let nothing this function the motion where I feel.
Correct.
Because I have to relax myself to deliver to the world good vibes and good music. For people all are real vibes of Junior Demus and feel the real touch where they meet so much. Because them good all think me never don't press the brake, but me gone to the clutch. But me just want them know me don't miss me touch. You understand me as a muscle?
You never, ever, ever miss your touch. The way you speak, your attitude, everything about Junior Demus is so original and so authentic. It's just so crazy. Listen, I have 2 questions for you before I get you out of here. Okay? We spoke about Mr. Fabulous, all right? Mr. Nicodemus. Is there something he's told you in your career that you'll never forget? A moment that he told you something and you say, you know what? I will never forget this whatsoever in my career.
Yeah. Well, the Godfather tell me so much thing because I never know well. I used to be like a short man. Where I man always front of the king. So I always run the sound and I hold vibes with teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I feel when he call me, he say Mikey more give me, and then Mikey give me call me and send me go buy a beer or something we want, but never do it.
Mm-hmm.
Them joy them me and him all where over the years where and he say me humble, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And them thing there. So look a short man. And if him going brethren, like him go sing for this man.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, me don't know the man, you know. But he go sing for the man, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And the man carry him over the man, you know, brother. The such man, you know. And then the man say, I'm a son, you know. Vice him. And the man vice me no than that. And me I say, him not be do it, but him do it. For sure the love, you know. But I remember this man, the teacher leave way from over Queens, they come check our virgin. Can't me go one virgin, brother.
Mm-hmm.
And me I say, me a bad boy, yeah, me no shoot on me, so use up me gun at the gun target. Me voice the tune for Bobby Konders, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I say.
Mm-hmm.
And Addies must carry him to Bobby Konders. And Demus buys an album for Babylon, which you don't know that. You understand?
Yeah.
So, at them motion the way me and the teacher I'm all. And when me and DJ in the motion of time when me buck up on some man muscle in the business.
Mm-hmm.
You see from me here, them you they still can hold them joy muscle and me listen them I deliver CMB muscle.
Mm-hmm.
It's always give me a joy. Because when I there and I hear I brother Junior get a vibes at Jamaica. Then when him and them go on, him and them back the same way. Even when I in a voice. And I feel good. Knowing that he might put out songs and hold emotion.
Mm-hmm.
I know say from Junior Acklem and a Backlem, any moment Mr. Fabulous, me can't touch them. Because through them say me they have foreign muscle.
Mm-hmm.
And them say all kind of things, they have foreign artists and all kind of crap. But nobody know what emotion muscle to make a man even whatever, because them love to know people business.
Mm-hmm.
But I ain't no time for the whole heap of gossip. I just want give the people them the real clock and the real tick because long time and there,
mm-hmm.
you know, no see no whole heap of paper I run off a bus off elastic. Well rich, cause me fig get rich. Shirt off it pretty and me pants off his stitch. You them on the corner say they want a elf stitch. Well rich. They must let that get rich. Yes, Joe, that they must man not get rich. Like a two abandon, they get rich. Right, I know me good at buy Celtics. Well rich. Say Joe, that they must well rich. Girl, them look at me and like me outfit. Fit. Mr. Fabulous. Well rich. Take your time and catch up with it. Must let me know them. I go, well, rich. Say, Nicodemus, well, rich. Selassie.
Just like that. Last question I have for you, Big Boss, before I get you out of here. Listen, you've had this crazy career since the 80s to right now. When has been the highest point in your career, and when has been the lowest point in your career so far?
Well, my virgin, trust me, at the motion right now, great one, where to me, definitely within them 8 years there. Mm-hmm. You see, if you not record muscle, you're done, you know. Mm-hmm. And you're not out there where people can shine a video upon you and them see you. And you know, you starve for bread. Mm-hmm. When like you have nothing in your head. But I never get misled because I know that true, I know how I stay. And the Father, and to him I pray. Help always step on the way. So, when I have such as a bad day, or a worse day, as long as you have life, is the greatest day. So, when I is a man where I always know this muscle, mm-hmm. Those that plant in tears shall reap in joy. So I always learn to hold I order and don't order where I know for order and go over my border. You see? Because I always kneel down and I always say a word and a prayer. And today I am on upstairs. You see, brother? So even though I not have vice muscle, the Almighty God no make the worse, like I did curse. Mm-hmm. So I stay away from the evil. It's not like the reverse. But I put the Most High God first. Mm-hmm. So within them time there, all through the wrestle and the tussle, the great Nicodemus goes up and kick way, all run buckle. 9 years. No alcohol tackle, rackle and shackle to the buckle. The I see the whole thing from the castle. Mm-hmm. So when a man say I and I, them know Nicodemus, within myself, all the strong vibes I feel in myself, I know so well then. I mean that mm-hmm. The way they says not cigarette, there's so much more for the people them forget. Mm-hmm. So Cosmic 6, them come along and make a wonderful vibes within Iman vibes. Seeing many more things to come. You understand, muscle? I know, I feel the energy that you're going to do. This motion speak for itself where me and you are reason. Mm-hmm. Because it's not like a something where nobody a make up. Mm-mm. This is where me definitely deal with. And right now, I'm proud of myself for the job that the Cosmic 6 and the crew, our video crew, give by an eye. And I just want the people and vibes it. You understand me? On all platform there. And just know Nicodemus. When you love him, you just subscribe the thing and, you know, deal with Nicodemus and know so well in the youth. It's the youth of the youth. Mm-hmm. So, I have not more to tell my fans more than speak the natural truth. Because you can't pop off a piece of the branch. But don't try kill the root. Because if you kill the tree, we bear the fruit, you're going to be a bad little brute. Don't do it, me youth.
You understand, just like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave all your contact information on the screen so they could check out all your new music, follow you on social media,
yes,
so they could see what Mr. Junior Demus is doing in 2021.
Yes. You know, seeing most of them just log into the thing and come in and just know, because men buy no muscle. Mm-hmm. It's only one thing they can do in the muscle is to love or eat. And me I tell them say it's not good to eat. Mm-hmm. It's more time for people get the more cooperate, you know. And that's, we can more relate. Whether they are Canada or in this state. You know, there's no place around here for it. It's something where just naturally my people, I man do not tolerate. It just destroy the whole foundation of the faith. So I want the eye them looking to the eye themselves out of my people, because we in emotion, we in time, and we just have to live the best at our time. Seeing we all a struggle and a fight the whole vibes in this life, a battle for life, to see the morning light. Do not spoil my appetite.
Just like that. Just like that, Mr. Demus. Thank you so very much for coming along, because I know somebody like you, we've seen you around a long time, but we don't really get to sit down and hear your stories, hear what's in your mind. We see you on the records and the stage show, so thank you so very much.
Yeah, man, you're blessed, man. God bless and keep there, Mr. Muscle, and my listeners and watchers, we are out here. It was a wonderful motion speaking to Mr. Muscle. I know he do his job. He don't go on the street out there and hustle. He exercise, and the girl, they say, strengthen up his muscle. Love you, people, and it's a wonderful motion. Yeah.
Rastafari. Let me give you an outro and get you out of here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Huts Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Selassie.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.